You will never start another niche because you keep thinking of your past failures in a wrong way. The thought of repeating the same cycle and wasting more of your valuable time is probably what's holding you back. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why your last attempt didn't work out and how a change in perspective can give you confidence to pick the right niche this time around. Have you ever heard the expression, leave your baggage at the door? Guess what? When a past project flops, we tend to carry that heavy baggage right into our next venture. Then all sorts of things start running through our minds. All the mistakes we made keep coming back. We second guess every new idea, and we are basically caught in a mental loop. If any of that happened to you, don't beat yourself up. That loop is exactly what keeps you completely stuck and prevents you from a new start. I know exactly how heavy that baggage feels, because this very project is not my first business venture. Before this, I piled up several failed projects. I almost have a full storage unit of them. I tried running a dropship business. I tried doing big ticket product reviews. I even started a Lego F1 channel, and they all failed. Thinking about it, I had some fun with the last one. All of them came to an end way before I expected, each for different reasons. At the time, it felt like I had thrown away time I would never get back. But here is the truth about those failed projects that keep haunting you. They did not fail because you lacked the skills or the work ethic. Most likely, they failed because of the approach. You might have been chasing a trend, trying to copy someone else, talking to a completely disconnected audience, or picking a niche that you have no true interest in, but it is highly profitable. The thing is, those past attempts were not a waste of time. They are raw data you needed to collect to figure out what works, or in this case, what doesn't work. So how can you use this raw data to pick the right niche this time? Instead of trying to find the perfect idea out of nowhere, you could use your past mistakes as a filter. Look inside the storage unit of those failed projects and write down the biggest lesson you learned from each one. Maybe you learned you hate dealing with physical products, or maybe you realized you need a topic you are more passionate about. Apply those new rules to every single idea you have moving forward. If a potential niche does not align with your findings, you can drop it immediately. Building your next project on top of what you already know doesn't work is exactly how you can find the one that does. Your next natural step is to pick a niche that will last, but you might encounter one common dilemma. Do you go with passion or profit? To find that answer, watch this video next, where I show you how to decide so you don't end up building another business you will add to your failures archive. Mine is quite full.